Hello, today I'll be reviewing the Nature World Pinocosaurus. It's right here. Let's see how tall it is. Wait. So it's 2 inches tall. So it's a very small figure. Let's see how long this is. So this is 8 inches. Now this toy seems very good. I'm not sure if it's accurate. The color seems very familiar. It really seems like something that I have. Wait, I know what it is. It's this Brachiosaurus. The coloring is very similar. But I actually believe that this is Animal Planet. I think I just found out. Also, but the underbelly is not really the same. So, on the head, the head looks very cool. It's actually quite small. It's actually just 1 inch tall. So let's bring it this Pinocosaurus. This tiny Pinocosaurus is probably at least 1 or 2 inches. Yep, 2 inches. Okay. I think that Papo is releasing. I think Papo already released a Pinocosaurus. I feel like saying Pinosuchus. I'm not sure why, but it's nothing really like any crocodilian. Inside it's painted, unlike the T-Rex. Unlike the World of Nature T-Rex, it just has an orange mouth. Let's bring the Papo walking T-Rex. These toys could actually go together, even though I think that they lived in different places. I'm not sure, but they actually do go very good with each other. It looks like it's running away from something. I actually would like it in more of a neutral stance. It's kind of like this. And he's trying to approach his enemy. Okay, on the back, you could see the spikes on it. They're actually not too sharp, but they are a little sharp. But it is a toy made for kids, and companies don't want anybody to get hurt. They did a lot of folds in the skin, and they actually they did make this look like it was alive. And it has the bony club on the tail, which does look amazing. So this toy is a very good toy. It's not bad. I'm actually gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I think it does need a little bit more work. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye.